शिवोले वाठारांतल्या स आस्थापनाचेर अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासनान धाड घाली. नितळसाण नाशिल्ल्यान आनी नेमांक पाळो दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान 3 फास्ट फूड आस्थापनां आनी एक आयस्क्रीम फॅक्टरी सील केली, अशी माहिती अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासनाचे अधिकारी रिचर्ड नरोना हांणी दिल्या.
To our drive yesterday, our team carried out inspections today again in Bates area, specifically in Sholim area. We had received few inputs that Tarir, that area where a few of these fast foods were running without a permission. On inspecting them, we found several violations and we asked 4 premises to close down. 3 of them are fast foods and one of them is an ice manufacturer who was manufacturing ice without doing the requisite testing. A few weeks back, we had also carried out an awareness program for all the ice manufacturers and we had told them to follow the requisite norms of ensuring the test reports are done periodically and they are following the hygiene. So as a part of that, we did a verification and we had to ask this factory to close down. We've given them time to comply, failing which legal action will be taken. In addition, 2 other premises were checked. They were found in compliance. So we have just given them some minor corrective measures. This special drive will continue and will also focus on other areas in North Goa.
फायन्स बीन कितें मारला
आयच्या दिसा काय फायन ना, फक्त बंद करपाक लायला आमी.
आणि कितल्या दिसांक बंद टेम्पररी काय
आमच्या नोटिसान आमी तांकां एक 15 days टाइम दिता आणि तांणी तर बेगीन केले जाल्यार वी गो एंड व्हेरीफाय.
कितें ताणें वायलेशन्स केले
व्हायलेशन म्हणजे दे वर नॉट द किचन्स वर नॉट क्लीन. दे वर सेव्हरल स्टोरेज व्हायलेशन. नॉनव्हेज आयटम्स तांचे सारखे दवरूंक नासलेले आणि रस्त्यार ओपन असे प्रिपेअर करतले विदाउट प्रॉपर कवरिंग. सो दीज वर द मेजर ऑब्झर्वेशन दॅट वीव सीन अँड वीव गिवन देम टाइम टू कंप्लाय.
पयलीं केन्ना केल्ले तो
ना, हे न्यू एरियाज म्हणून तांकां काय फायन घालूंक ना. ओन्ली ते रिपीट कोण ऑफेंडर्स आसा तांकां आमी फायन घालता.